Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. This video is about creating your first capture page with the Power Lead system. Okay, if you've joined the Power Lead system, you know you have to purchase a domain. Add your domain here, it's going to be like $12 and a few cents every year, once a year, and then become an affiliate. If you've joined Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee, you can upgrade to become an affiliate with the Power Lead system. And then you add your picture and then do some more programs of learning that you might want to invest in later on. But the most important thing now is to have your domain and become a gold member in the Power Lead system. At the bottom of this video, you will have a capture page of mine, which is a link in the description part where you can click on and put your information on the inside to receive information about the Power Lead system and how you can be online through the system. The system going to be representing you and promoting itself 24/7. Now, so I got my domain already created and I bought it for $12 from the Power Lead system. My domain is Market with Marlon. And now what I'm going to do is go to websites and we're going to manage subdomains. Okay, manage subdomains. Okay, we're going to be brought here. And then I'm going to create a new domain. Of course, I said my domain name is Market with Marlon. And it's a dot between the space, the http:// there's a space there. And then there's a dot with your domain there. Now, whatever I put in front of this dot, that becomes my subdomain. Let's put in a name for our subdomain now. I'm going to put Marlon's Today Training. Now I'm going to click the create button. Boom, there it is. So to assign your subdomain, Marlon's Today Training .marketwithmarlon.com. Click here, use an existing web page. So we're going to use an existing web page today. We're going to click here and it's going to take us over to our web pages. Okay, become a prospect for whatever I want. You want to leave it there. You don't want to go down to become a free lead system forever member. Just leave it at become a prospect for whatever I want. Of course, you see that it's my domain that my subdomain that I just created is right here. So what we want to do is copy a capture page that's already there. In other words, copy a template so we can edit it for ourselves. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose a page to copy. Okay. Right here are some pages that you might want to copy. Let me just show you this one right here. We're just going to click on it. You can click on it and see what it looks like. Say new push button system going viral, make over $227 daily with no previous experience. So you have to enter your first name and then enter your best email address. We want to just leave it with just your email address space because a lot of people don't like to put their name and phone number and all that in there. So we're going to go back and we're going to choose email only by selecting this right here. And then we're going to scroll back up, all the way up. No, it don't have it there. Let's go scroll all the way down. and then click on make me a copy. So after you click on make me a copy, it's going to take you over here to name the page. Okay, title this web page to show here in this admins area. This is for my use right here. Marlon today training. And that will let me know what web page it is. And the title of this web page to show to the website visitors. This is what people are going to see when they opt into your new page. Just say today's capture page training. Okay, let's see if that works. And right here it say do not assign a domain to this. No, we're going to use the domain that we just created. Okay. Go down to Marlins. See if we can find it. Marlins motivation, Marlins PLS, Marlins today's training. That's the one we want right there. And if I wanted to create a subdomain again, I could have created another one right there. But we're going to go all the way down. Just for the sake of this training, we're going to save changes to the web page. Now, you can click on any background that you might want behind your web page. You saw how it looked, right? So we're gonna change it to another background. Let's click this one right here so we can move on. We're gonna click that one. See the wordings in there? You can choose to revise those words, but for the sake of the time, we're going to just go on, click save changes and move to the next step. Save changes. Let's view our web page right quick. Okay, you see the background I put in there? I changed it. And we can choose to change that if we want to by going back to edit text. And right here, we just start typing. New system for creating and revising your own capture pages. Okay, we're going to save changes, and then we're going to view the page. See how it looks right here? And you can always go back if you don't like that background. Go back and click on background, edit background, and let's try this one right here. And you can just experiment with it. And we're going to click on Save Changes. And then we're going to view the web page again. And there it is. New system for creating and revising your own capture page. Okay, once a person put their email address in that space there, they will start receiving messages on your behalf. And we can go back to Edit Basic edit basis and send them to the page that you want them to be sent to. Right here it says view campaign. We want to send them to, just say, Lead Lightning referral link A. You're getting 2 links. You're getting referral link A. Let's put let's put Lead Lightning referral link A there. And we save changes. And once they put their email address in there, they will start receiving the campaign that goes along with Lead Lightning referral link A. You're getting 2 links, referral link A and referral link B. But all these are different campaign with different messages that goes. This one that I just programmed it to go to has 9 messages. And those are the messages that they will start receiving. But anyway, I hope this helped give you a little insight on the Power Lead system and how powerful it is. You have your training right here. You can go over to your training once you get started, and you can just come over and view the training and learn more and more about the Power Lead system. If you click on the training area, you're going to have to create your account, which is free after you join. And then you can always go over there and visit the daily tips, training, and all that. You have to be involved with this to learn how it started here, and then it has day 0. This is the one you look at. You start there, and then you look at attaching a capture page to your domain, just like I was just showing you. All this you learn through the Power Lead system. Click on the link below and get started for yourself. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Isn't that lovely? I love that. And plenty of other backgrounds you can use to put in there for yourself. All right. Join today. Click the link below. It will take you to the messages that will lead you over into even making more money from home with this system. All right. We'll talk.